Hey guys, it's Shubho and welcome to my channel. And today we are going to learn how to turn yourself into a painting, an oil painting, in a very few easy steps. Now, in this channel, I talk about photography, Photoshop, Lightroom, and stuff like this. So if you want to learn more about those and you don't want to miss out on these videos, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell notification. With that said, let's go to the computer. And another thing that I want to add here in the intro for today is my voice is very bad. I was down with a very bad cold. I still am. So forgive me for that. So we are at the computer, and the first thing that we are going to do, and as you can see, is I have already duplicated the layer with Control J. That's the command. Now, once you have duplicated the layer, you are going to turn it into a smart object because we are going to use filters and we want to edit the picture non-destructively. So to do that, we are going to right click on this image, select convert to smart object, and it becomes like this. Then we're going to go to filter and we are going to go to filter gallery, and as you can see we're going to hit control minus because it always opens up like this. I don't know why. And as you can see his face, and we're going to move these to our liking, so we can move it to like this, and we can make the posterization, maybe posterization 3 is good enough. Yeah, or maybe 2. I think 2 is good enough because 3 is making it look like more like a photograph now. Do that. We like, do I really want that? No. Okay. Let me just move it back here. I don't want that. Anyway, as you can see, it has turned into this kind of a painting thing, but not yet an oil painting. So we are gonna make it like this. Then we are gonna go to filter, and again we are going to go to stylize and oil paint, and then this is going to get the painting effect. As you can see, it has already started looking like a painting effect. We're going to move the stylization a little bit down, uh, maybe the cleanliness a bit down so we can see the brush strokes. Yeah, this looks like a nice painting. Hit okay, this okay. Now we can use a filter, and then again sharpen and unsharp mask, and this will help us sharpen the eyes and things like that. Okay, no, this is too much. Yeah, yeah, no, yeah, this much sharpness is good. Maybe if I go to the oil paint and I increase the stylization, how does that make it look? That looks pretty well. So now you have it. You have a very nice portrait that is no longer a photo. It's more of a painting, and if you really want to change it, you can drop the cleanliness to make it a bit more, add the more details, or you can just pump the cleanliness up and it makes it look like this, and it gives you a very you know blurry look, but you can keep the cleanliness here. Use the unsharp mask and increase the amount over there to make it sharp, and it you know the reason I do that is because the if you decrease the cleanliness on the oil paint, it will make it look like someone has, it's a very bristle thing. Someone has done it with a very bristle brush. But if you increase the cleanliness, it's going to look like a smooth painting, and then you can use the unsharp mark to sharpen some features like that and stuff. And now it looks like a painting. And if you zoom in, you can see it's not, you know, sorry for the phone, it keeps on ringing. As you can see, it looks like a painting. So, with that said, hope you enjoy the video. If you do, please leave a like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Thank you. We'll see you guys in the next one.